Downhill alpine skiing has been an extremely popular winter sport since its invention in the 1850s. As an already expensive and dangerous activity costing $200 to $300 per day, even average and recreational skiers are looking for a high quality, long lasting, and safe pair of skis to partake in the sport. The use of carbon fiber in skis offers excellent mechanical properties at a low density, creating light and flexible skis suitable for all skiers. The main trade off for using carbon fiber is cost. Austenite Skis Limited aims to find the optimal solution for this through ski design, a factory layout, and thorough business plan for the manufacturing of mid range carbon skis. The project began with research in the ski market. Our team utilized a top-down costing method and set a production goal of 8 to 12,000 skis per year at a price of $600 to $800. We initially set a profit margin of 10 to 15% based on research, but later increased this to 20 to 30% based on stakeholder input.
After determining our main goals and constraints, we began to work bottom-up to design the skis. We used a geometry profile for a pre-existing standard ski, the all-mountain Raven ski, and a sandwich panel to mechanically model the stiffness. To support our choice of carbon fiber, commonly used glass fiber and carbon fiber were compared in three categories: cost, performance, and manufacturability. Carbon fiber provided higher modulus at a lower fiber volume fraction and therefore could make a thinner ski but for a higher cost. To offset some of this cost and for easier manufacturing, non-prepreg carbon fiber was used. Research was then done to find affordable and high-quality ski presses, layup tables, CNC machines, base grinders and sanders, and other various factory office equipment and tooling. These machines were used to create a factory layout for the purposes of calculating our required factory size. Typical salaries were researched for a team of 19 employees in 6 areas: production, engineering, HR, marketing, accounting, and management.
When looking into hot presses versus oven systems, we utilize Raven software to investigate the current process of our selected resin. From this, we determined that the hot press would best suit our needs. Based on the decrease of thermal lag, a hot press would increase our cycle rate in exchange for a higher capital cost. This is in contrast to the cheaper oven, which sees a larger amount of thermal lag due to the poor thermal conductivity between the oven ear and metal tool. We then contacted key stakeholders, investors, ski stores, and skiers. The investors provided the desired profit margin of 40% and requested to see initial returns within 12 months and full returns after 4 to 6 years. This was critical in planning our debt repayment and cash flow, as seen in the diagram above.
Consumers completed a survey that helped determine key stakeholder needs and indicated that both structural and material quality were the most important factors when purchasing skis. The Ashby equation was then used to combine the previously mentioned information with the material, capital, overhead, and energy costs to create a cost per unit. 2 separate costing models were created, one for conservative and one for aggressive estimates.
Both models produce around 12,000 pairs per year that are sold to retailers for around $500. They differ in their profit margins and price per pair due to a change in the quality of equipment purchased, factory size, location, and price, and marketing budget. The conservative budget requires an initial investment $30,000 more than the aggressive and sees a yearly profit averaging $50,000 less. The completed factory and economic plan that we have created details the first 5 years of production. We hope to scale our production to 50 to 75,000 pairs per year and open a storefront to increase profits, alongside reducing costs by making the top sheets in-house and investigating storage options for our excess skis. We hope you join us in our quest to bring carbon skis to recreational skiers. Thank you for listening to our presentation.